Hi everyone, this is another video from Skippies.com, and today we're going to show you how to find people maybe that you've talked to online on a social network or on an online dating site, somebody you've spoken to, or even friends. You can even do this with friends or co-workers or family members. You've met somebody online, you're talking to them, and all you have really to go on is their profile picture. Maybe they're not using their real name, maybe they're using a username, or maybe you just want to find out more about them. So we're going to use Google Images to search for the person's profile picture. And for the example today, I'm going to use a public figure. I'm going to use Michael Bloomberg, the mayor of New York City. What I have is one of his profile pictures from his Twitter account, and I have it saved to my desktop. If you have a modern browser, you can just drag it into Google Images and drop it. If you have an older browser, you'll have to upload it. And as you can see, it identifies the image as Mike Bloomberg, and as you scroll down, you find that you get a result for his website, his main website. You get a Wikipedia entry for him. Now you're only going to get this for famous people, but this will work for just everyday people that have some type of online presence on social networks, online dating sites, what have you. You get his LinkedIn profile. You get his Google Plus profile. His Foursquare profile, so you can look at the places he frequents and checks into right there on his Foursquare account. Let's see. Here's his Facebook profile. Now, as I said, sometimes you're online, you're talking to people. Maybe it's somebody you've met through an online dating site and you're thinking about meeting them at some point and you want to know more about them. This is a good way to do that. In addition, it's a good way to do that. If you want to, if you have a job applicant and you want to look them up online and find their social profiles. If you know one social profile and use Google Images with their picture from their profile, you can find other websites where they've used that picture. People tend to be creatures of habit, and so a lot of people use the same photos on all of their online profiles. Even if they don't use the same photo, sometimes Google Images is good at recognizing similarities between photos. So even if they have two photos that are somewhat similar, Google might recognize other photos of them online. But yeah, you can scroll down, as you do this, and everybody's going to be different. Everybody's going to have a different type of online footprint. Not everybody's going to have, 10 plus pages of results like Mike Bloomberg, since he's a public figure. But this is a really good way to get more information on somebody. And then once you have their real name, if you don't already have their real name, once you have their real name and their location, you can go to sites like the ones we have on our homepage at Skippies.com, and you can use these different sites to do other searches on that individual. We have about 13 of the top people searches right here on the homepage. But anyways, this is a really good way to kind of do some background due diligence research on people that at some point you are either thinking about meeting or maybe entering into a business relationship with. There are lots of different things you could use this for. Even bill collectors, private investigators, this is the type of stuff they could do to find more information out about people. But anyways, good luck with your searches.